I got my spring 2023 Decocrated box and I literally just cut it open, and I thought it was a box within a box, but it might just be, but I haven't gotten that far yet, and I'm sad because the top of the box is dented and it looks so ugly. So it says it's time to Decocrate with their social media icons, so that you can find them on Facebook, which I don't have anymore, Instagram I have, YouTube I have that too. I think the next symbol might be TikTok. I do sort of have it, but literally right now it's not on my phone. I deleted it and uninstalled it. And then last but not least is Pinterest, which I kind of also have still, but I don't use it, but I do have it. To me, it's like an old thing that it's kind of prehistoric in my opinion. And yeah, and then the top of the box says, open me. Actually, it says, open me. Sorry, that must have been loud. I might have broken your ears. Sorry about that. And then the box on the front says Decocrated. If you don't know what Decocrated is, I didn't know either until I found out from, I believe her name on YouTube is Honeybell, something rather. Melissa, who I can't remember her maiden name, but she's married now. Nice young lady. I think she's younger than me, probably younger than me. She's married now. She's probably in her 30s too, just younger than me. And her husband has children from previous relationship or ships. I'm not really sure his, life history. But yeah, so I came across one of her Decocrated unboxing videos and thought it was really cool because I love to decorate. We have a lot of home decor, as you can see, some of which is also from Decocrated. And I had originally bought a year subscription. Didn't like the way the Halloween one smelled. The cats are not decoration, by the way. Did not like the way the Halloween one smelled, and I was so turned off by it that I canceled my subscription. Other boxes that came after that did not smell weird, so it might just be Halloween. But it was enough to turn me off. Because I subscribed to a year membership, I'm still getting the ones for the rest of the year, which includes this one. I hope I don't get the Halloween one or fall one, because that one was the one that smelled really bad. So far, I can only smell the soap that's on my hands, so I can't tell if this smells or not, but I don't think it does. The Christmas wintry one didn't, so that's good. So yeah, it does look like there's a box within a box. They give you this enormous card or envelope with stuff in it. It is very nicely packaged. And let's see what's in here. I got the one-handed thing going on. Okay, I got it. So this is a booklet. That's cool. With ideas of how to use some of the stuff that you'll find in the box, I'm presuming. Decocrated. Ooh. Okay, see, now it's a little bit clearer. Decocrated.com. Because I was bored with the ones that I was using. I got annoyed with Beauty. What the hell is it called again? BoxyCharm. I got annoyed with them for reasons we're not going to get into. C is disgusting. And the only one I have right now is Allure, which I'm not crazy about. And what else do I get? Allure. And then that other big one, FabFitFun, which isn't always great either, but I like it overall. So Decocrated box. It does say that on the side. The home decor solution. Love it. Yeah, if it wasn't for the smell, I would probably still get this. And I'm very particular. Thank you, you're welcome. It's this lady, I don't know who she is. Nice kitchen. Reminds me of my old kitchen when I was a kid, except I don't think we had a stainless steel refrigerator. We had a big one though. And the island was not gray, but it did have a white countertop, I'm pretty sure. And we didn't have a stainless steel for microwave either, but the white we had. in my childhood kitchen. Nice, very nice, very, very nice. So I don't know if I'm getting everything in here in my box, but I might be. I don't know. Members only exclusive holiday add-on boxes. I did order some extra stuff, which I'm about to point out to you, that I did get from, all right, so this thing here, Bless Our Home with Love and Laughter, I got that from Decocrated just as an add-on, or this came separate, and that sailing thing came separately also. I ordered them just because when I first subscribed to this Decocrated subscription box thing, and I thought it was nice for our home with the, like, that's perfect for the nautical coastal look. Daniel loved that. And I was gonna get him one like this, but with birds, but I didn't. They were like pretty expensive. And this one, he's not crazy about the saying thing, but I like it and I'm buying it, so. In your face, Daniel. Just kidding, my hair's a freaking mess. All right, we're not gonna show me anymore right now. And so that's what I got from them separately. So I'm gonna put this down. So underneath here is this really pretty bow sticker. Why does it say empty? Decocrated. Did you give me an empty box? Why would you do that to me? Don't tell me there's literally 2 things in here. I don't know. I don't know. It's empty. Why, Decocrated? Why would you do that to me? I'm gonna save this because it's funny. Empty. Why would you give me an empty box? I don't know. And now back to a word from our sponsors. Bunny and Bumps. Hey, Bumps. Well, I accidentally stopped the video. Okay, so there are boxes in here. I'm like, why would you give me an empty box? So I'm gonna need my scissors. So real quick, I'm gonna pause this to cut open everything, and I'll show you what everything is in just a sec. All right, be right back. And now a break from our sponsors. Hi, my name is Bunny, and I'm Thumper, and we are promoting Decocrated. Yes, we are. Right, Buns? She woke up from her nap just to watch me film my video. Didn't you? Yes, she did. She's probably like, Mom, you're making too much noise. Can I get a nap? I'm trying to work on my 70% of sleep for the day. No, Buns, you cannot. All right, one moment, please. Thanks from our sponsors. So this is going to be fun for Daniel when he's home from work. So I did open up all the boxes. I'm not putting them all together, but one of the items I got was these soap dispensers, I would say, like a soap and lotion dispenser. I'm probably not going to use them except for maybe decoration, in all honesty. Unless somebody wants them as a gift. I don't know. Decoration. Wow, Bumper's awake. Hey, Bumper. Hey. Hey, Bumps. Yeah, I'm probably gonna use these as decoration. I don't know where. But yeah, that's the point, I guess. Home decor, decoration. And then the other thing I got in here is that the basket. But you have to put this together, and I suck at assembling things. I'm good at breaking them. So you turn this around and you look at that image. That's pretty much what this is gonna look like. I'll probably have Daniel stick it up here. I don't know. I have no idea. This is why, like, I'm not crazy about this. What am I gonna do with it? I have no idea. But he'll help me put that together. It's probably like really easy. I just don't want to do it. And then I don't know what this is. I'll have to look at the picture and figure it out. You know, that magazine book thing I got. I don't know what this is. This is also something that's assembly required. I don't have the patience to do, but he will. And last but not least, I got 4 items. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is cute. So this will go in my kitchen somewhere. It says if you uncover that. The kitchen is the heart of the home. And I'm sure Daniel's not going to like this because he doesn't like anything with words on it. Maybe it's because he doesn't like to read. I don't know, I'm kidding. He likes to read. I'm just playing. Daniel, wherever you are, he's at work. Leave a message. But yeah, that's cute. I like this. See, this is my cup of tea. And it's very light. And it's already assembled. All you have to do is hang it up somewhere. Or you could just lay it against the wall. And it's cute. The kitchen is the heart of the home. So yeah, that's what I got. And I honestly forget how much it costs for the membership. I did the yearly one. I don't remember what it was for monthly. And I think you could do more than a year, less than a year. I don't know. I did the year. And once you do the year, even if you want to cancel just like I did, you're committed to it. It's okay. I'm not mad. But I mean, I love decorating and home decor. And like that greenery we got from the winter box, I think. Is it the winter one? Spring? I don't remember. I want to say the winter one. But we got that greenery from a box. And other stuff that I don't think is sitting out right now. But I don't remember. Yeah, I don't think that was the winter one. I think the winter one was like a wreath. But yeah. How'd you like that video, kids? Fun's like, I don't know, I'm trying to take a nap again. Bumper, how'd you like that? He's like, I don't have any opinions. I don't decorate. Alright, well, thank you so much for my lovely audience. And I will see you again soon. I will leave a link for Decocrated in the description box of this video in case you're interested in becoming a member. I did have a referral code, but because I'm not going to go any farther with it, it would be meaningless for me. But if you want to do it, you can go ahead. If you want to check out Honeybell, Melissa, whatever her name is, go ahead. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumb up. If you liked my cats, give them a thumb up. And now back to your sponsors. And please subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World, for more. Bye. Thank you.